This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Welcome to this private nature lover's paradise on 1 full acre in Little Neck. Enjoy single-level living with open floor plan, updated kitchen and baths and hardwood floors throughout. The living room has vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace, custom built-ins and patio doors leading to the serene park-like setting with over 1,200 square feet of decking for outdoor entertainment. The kitchen with center island, gas cooktop. Solid surface counters and pantry is open to the den with cozy fireplace. Enjoy the owner's ensuite with dual walk-in closets, updated bath and patio door leading to the deck. New roof, lush gardens and meticulously maintained. Close proximity to bike path, farmers market, swim/racquet club and elementary school. Come enjoy the Little Neck life. For more information, review the details below.